What's up, guys? Welcome back to another weekly episode on Holly's Garage. Today we're going to be unboxing some new parts for the Subaru. I wanted to show you guys some of the new stuff that I got. This week I got some spacers so we can get that fitment all dialed in nice. And then I got a front lip too. So I'm super excited to get these unboxed. So let's start cutting them open and see what we got. So the first box of stuff that we got right here is our spacers. We ordered these from Rally Sport Direct. Just got a bunch of 5 mils so we can dial in the fitment nicely. In total we have 6 5 mil spacers just to make everything real dialed in. Super pumped on these. These were super cheap. They were only 12 bucks a set. Yeah, so I'm super stoked to put these on within the next week or so. It will definitely fix up the fitment nice and good. And now it's time for the big reveal, guys. The one you've been waiting to see. Front lip. Super stoked to check this thing out. I only spent about 200 bucks on it. It's just a basic polyurethane front lip. It's the CS style. If you guys know what that is, you guys will see it in a second, but for those of you guys who are Subaru guys, you probably know that style. Super pumped to cut this thing open. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh fuck, bro. This shit looks hard. Check this out. Check this out. Oh shit. Oh shit. Pull this bad boy out. Damn, boys. Ooh. Damn. This looks nice. Let's get this plastic on so they can see it. I'm super hyped right now if you guys can't tell. Eee! So it's got like flex to it because it's polyurethane. So I definitely am gonna let it sit for a whole day. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna let it sit for Thanksgiving to kind of take the shape of where it wants to be. And then I'll put it on the car. But let me turn my car around so you guys could see it in front of the front bumper. We'll kind of hold it up for you guys so you can get the overall view.
A few moments later.
Looks pretty badass. How you like it there, bud?
It looks dope, dude. So guys, we got it mocked up. It's not bolted up or anything. We just kind of propped it into place just to see how it will generally look. It's definitely gonna take some sanding, you know, we're gonna have to mess with it and everything to get the fitment just right. But overall, I really like how much more aggressive it looks. We're definitely gonna have to bolt this back right here so this sits up flush like that. We probably want it to sit a little higher just like that. So overall, I'm really happy with the product for the price. It was, like I said, only $150. After shipping, it was 200 bucks. Super stoked with how this is gonna look once we put it on. It's gonna take a little bit of work before the final installation. We're also gonna wanna have it painted. But yeah, super stoked for the videos to come. The next video is definitely gonna be us putting this front lip on. Then after that, we're gonna be lifting up the car, rolling the fenders, and using those spacers to make everything look perfect. So stay tuned for more content. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, hook your boy up with some love in the comments. And always remember, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out.